Hey everyone, it's Tom
and the Bible Babes.
While touring Europe, we found some time to be here in Channel Marine Station to conduct some experiments. In our experiments, we'll be looking at
sea stars
and
crabs
and their predation on blue mussels. More specifically, we'll be looking at how much they eat and their abundance in the field.
So, we went out in the field looking for sea stars and crabs. And even though this is what it looked like, we found them.
Back in the lab, we measured sea stars, crabs and mussels and released the animals we didn't need.
Here we are in the lab. We already set up our experiments. So at the moment we have 4 treatments plus 1 control. Here, for example, we have sea stars and crabs mixed together. Here we have just sea stars. We have sea stars and crabs mixed but with limited food availability. And we have 1 treatment with just crabs.
We check the tanks every hour to count the mussels eaten and to note the animal behavior. Of course, mistakes happen.
There is no crab in the tank.
We lost a crab during the first night, but that's why we had 4 replicates per each treatment. We also went around the island coast to calculate the density of our predator.
We're out here in the field, beautiful Channel Bay. Right now we're trying to find our predators, the crab and the sea star. So we're in the mud trying to look for them. Fingers crossed we can find them.
We laid the ropes on the bottom and then we swam over them to count how many sea stars and crabs we saw. This is what it actually looked like.
After the end of the experiment in the lab, we released the animals, analyzed the data, and discussed them.
And these are our results. We learned that crabs eat more than sea stars, but when put together in the same tank, they eat even more. In the field, there were more crabs than sea stars at all of our sites. The crabs are quite literally killing it.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe,
and hit that bell.
and while you're at it, here's our new song.
3, 2, 1. There's Tom and the babes in a little lab room with the lights shining all around. As they set up their tanks, you couldn't even hear a sound. So they watched and they measured till the day grew dim. They said, will the crabs or sea stars eat the most within? So what you gonna do in a little lab room with the lights shining all around? Well, Tom and the babes took a trip to the shore with their nets and their gear in hand. As they snorkeled and they searched, they really felt part of the band. So they gathered stars, crabs and mussels too. They did transects to count how many in the view. So what you gonna find all around South too? With the net scooping all up, Tom diving all up, babes counting all around.